A simple welfare check for a missing mother turns into one of the most disturbing discoveries police have ever made. It's October 2025 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Officers are looking for 69-year-old Ernestina Lucero.
I know that.
How old are they?
There's a dude living
There's a
there.
dude
right
there.
Leroy?
That lives there.
Is it Leroy?
We don't know.
I don't know his name. But he lived with an old lady.
Yeah. The last time you saw him.
Well, I know about like 2-3 weeks ago. Hold on, baby. 2-3 weeks ago, after a visit that she took me to, I haven't seen her since.
She took you?
Yeah, she used to. Me and her, we would go to the food bank together.
Okay.
So she ended up taking us back and forth. After like a few times, I didn't see her again.
Well, you haven't seen her charger here at all?
I'm sorry?
She sold it?
Yeah, he sold the car. He asked us if we wanted to buy it. I had asked him like, where did she go, and he's like, she went to Mexico. He was saying a bunch of things about her leaving to Mexico with her boyfriend.
Neighbors say they haven't seen her in over a month. Her son claims she went to Mexico with a boyfriend.
And he's like, hey, by any chance, do you want to buy my car? I'm trying to make money for rent. That's what he said.
How long ago was that?
Like a week ago. I know my brother asked him like, where's your mom at? Because we haven't seen her in a while, and he like stuttered and he just went silent.
Police.
When they...
They were fighting before she left.
That was my next
They
one.
were fighting before she left. I know there was a couple nights where they were going at it. I have a 2-year-old.
Hear them and stuff.
And I've asked him to, just take it down a little bit. He said he's done.
He said I'm very quiet.
yeah, before she
But
had.
this was like, she's been gone for a while.
Yeah, she's been gone for at least a month and a half now.
If not more, I don't know.
She had asked me the first day I met her. She asked me about the mailbox because she needed to get her check for her Social Security check. She said that she needed to get her check.
But neighbors tell a different story. They heard fighting, saw him selling her car, and trying to cash her Social Security checks.
Yeah, come on. He's coming to the front door. Open up.
Sorry, man. I thought you were someone else, dude.
Mind if I step in and talk to you real quick?
Yeah, no problem.
Can I step in and talk to you?
Oh, yeah. Come in. Let's see what I
Dogs friendly?
Yeah, they bite.
After knocking for a long time, the son finally opens the door. He looks nervous and starts making excuses.
Yeah, man. I thought you were the lady banging on the door. My bad. I was sleepy, dude.
Okay.
It's been a rough 2 weeks, man. Sorry about that.
What's been going on?
My mom's missing, man, with college, work. I've been overstressed, tired, you know what I mean?
5360.
Just trying to get some rest, man.
Okay.
Exhausted from worrying, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the reason why we're here is because family is concerned and saying that they've been trying to reach out to you, like you just kind of been ignoring them.
Man, I'll show you the text messages, everything. Man. I've never ignored none of them.
You should. Okay. Alright, then.
I don't know why they get. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Like, my mom had some dude trying to get at me or something, and but I never came at her the same way.
What do you mean she's been trying
Like,
to get at you?
dudes that harass me and stuff. But I've never went at her like that. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So they know what she's capable of, so they're afraid of me doing it, I guess is why they're thinking it, you know what I mean? But dude, this has been going on for years, you know what I mean? And I've never once raised a hand to her. You know, this last time I just told her, I'm just tired of your lies, I don't believe you, man. I don't even think we should be around each other. It disgusts me because we used to be close. Mm-hmm. You know, we weren't always like that, and I'm sorry it is the way it is, but if I would have known, I would have paid more attention, asked more questions, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. It's just where we were, man, at that time. Okay. And I haven't been in trouble with the law since I got out of prison. I'm in college, man. 4.0 student president's list. 15 times straight, dude. Mm-hmm. into the Lord now, you know.
Okay.
The last time I had seen her, when she came in, I asked her, what are you doing? She said, I've been kicking with her. She said, I've been seeing her, is what she said. And I just went to my room. I thought she was gonna crash here in her room. I woke up in the morning, there was a load of clothes in the washer, because we have a front loader. So she tends to leave the clothes in there and it stinks, the front loader. So I thought she was in her room. So I went in her room and she was gone. So I put her clothes to dry. That was the last time I seen her, man.
Alright. And before that, she didn't mention anything about going anywhere, seeing anybody?
Just stuff, yeah, man.
While one officer talks to him, another starts checking the house. The tension is building.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Then comes the horrifying moment. Officers open the deep freezer in the kitchen. Inside, they find the partially dismembered remains of Ernestina Lucero, hidden under frozen food.
What do you mean, like the first week? Like, week after 15th to 17th?
What's up, boss?
Step outside. Go and put your hands behind your back.
Right.
She's in the freezer.
I know. Hey, dude. I know. I'm really fun.
Police officer immediately handcuffed the suspect and arrested him.
Hey, let's. Okay.
Thank you, man. Hey, will you take the dogs in, please, sir? So they don't stay out here?
Huh? I can't put them out. I can't put them inside. Man. Yeah, they can follow. They can follow us.
No, it's inside. So I can lock them. You can
No,
lock them in.
no.
Right now
We're not going in there.
I love
Hey,
those. They're, oh my God. I'm real property, man. There's a story there, man. I love you guys, man.
Huh?
Yeah, just the dogs and fun.
Just finish your cigarette and I'll see the phone.
Can I finish my smoke, give me some?
No.
Put your dogs in my phone.
I will see inside. Okay? This way. I'll see inside.
Hey, I love you. I love you guys, man.
I'm just gonna
Come on, buddy.
and go back
Thank
here.
you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
You gonna bite me?
No, you don't bother.
Hey,
I know it's.
hey, let me. So, what did you see?
Dude, she's in the freezer. She's wrapped up in a trash bag. And it's clear in the bottom of her head.
It's all good, ain't it? You know what? That happened to me. I still don't believe it, bro.
The son is taken outside as officers process the horrific scene. Later during interrogation, he makes several shocking statements. He eventually admits what happened inside that house. This is what police found during a routine welfare check.